wasn't too bad. It went right in. So, get our Loctite. You have to plan your moves out on these things, and you want to dry fit them, completely assemble them before you take them apart and do the final assemble. Okay. I'm just going to eyeball down the pipe and get it where I think it's centered. This pipe is centered over the base. That's not too bad. Now I'm going to set it up on the table, and I'm going to stand back and take a look at it from different angles, just to make sure as much as possible that everything is lined up. Okay, that took a couple of tries to get it straight. I think I got it pretty good right now. You want to get it as straight as you can, you know, because if it's not, you'll see it. I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to take a break, and I might be back tonight or tomorrow morning, and we'll finish her up and plug it in. There it is, installed on the switch, ready to go in the pipe. I didn't test fit the switch, and now I'm paying for it. So it broke trying to get it in. It wouldn't go in, and I had to take the lamp apart so I could get to this screw down here, which is hidden behind this pipe. And so now I got the switch in, and look, it's got a metal body. So I was lucky to have one in stock. So I'm going to go ahead and put it back together and wire it up. After I wire it up, we'll be back. Can you see that burr sticking out there? That burr will ruin your day. You have to make sure to deburr all the pieces of pipe, any fittings that your wire runs through. There's the wiring all done. Now it's ready for the crown. And for the final touch. Thanks for watching.
You want to get in the picture? I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.